afternoon, friends. Welcome again to another edition of Suiderkruis Stories. In this video, I'm going to discuss one of my favorite air rifles, and I'm also going to show what is wrong with it and how I'm going to repair it. This is a BSA Underlever air rifle in caliber 177. But to use the full name, it is a BSA Lincoln Jeffries inspired, Model D improved underlever cocking air rifle. Yeah, I think I've got everything now. This air rifle is from the period 1906 to 1912 more or less, and there were remarkable inventions that improved the quality of target shooting air rifles for that period. We are going to take a closer look now at all the features of this rifle. This airgun prepared many a boy for life in the military, prepared them for World War I, and made them excellent riflemen. Like all things from the previous century, these air rifles were really made with quality components and also quality materials. Walnut stock with a steel base plate, and then hand engraved checkering, a proper pistol grip. The trigger guard is attached with two screws, one there and one there, but this one is lost, so I have to make another one for it. Then on the front of the trigger guard there is supposed to be another bolt that screws in to adjust the trigger pull, which is also lost, and I have to replace that also. This cylinder is the housing for the spring and the plunger that pushes the air through the barrel and launches the projectile. This tap loading gate was one of the patents from Lincoln Jeffries, which BSA incorporated in their design. It was actually made airtight and was groundbreaking technology for that period, because now we have a fixed barrel that aligned the cylinder and the barrel 100% and completely without any play, which is different from all your neck breaking air rifles. So this was really a step up for accuracy for air rifle target shooting. Because the barrel was fixed to the cylinder, it allowed for an underlever cocking arm, which was also revolutionary for that period. The three standing rifles, is the mark for the Birmingham Small Arms rifle manufacturer, and this indicates that this rifle is a true BSA. A closer look at those three rifles seems like to be Martini Henry rifles, you know, with a underlever there also to open the falling block. What is interesting about the inscription here on the cylinder is that I could not see any Lincoln Jeffries references, a L or a J or Lincoln Jeffries or Jeffries that is visible. So this might be a later version and manufactured by BSA alone. Although the loading gate, the tap loading gate, is the patent of Lincoln Jeffries. to summarize, there are a few bolts lost that has to be manufactured on the trigger guard, the trigger adjustment screw, this pin that is the hinge for the cocking lever, and then the underlever pin that catches the underlever. So those have to be replaced or should be made from scratch, and this was made with imperial dimensions, and I only have metric dimensions and metric tools, so I have to see if I can find a gunsmith that still has the dies to cut the thread for all the screws and bolts.